Yes, how are you doing? Barney here. We are going to the Samsung KX building. It's raining. I'm getting wet.
Hello.
Elz?
So here we are.
This place is ridiculous. So I want to just let you know that I have no clue about anything to do with any sort of gaming whatsoever. So please be gentle. How did you go from, you know, being like a kid, like loving this thing, and then also like coming back to gaming, loving it, and then turning it into a career?
I really like gaming, and I'm all right at talking on camera, so why don't I just try it? The main motivation for me was like, I've grown up loving gaming. I went to uni and my course was predominantly male because it was computing. Then I progressed into an IT field, which is also predominantly male. I just want young females especially to know, to have someone to look up to and just know that you don't have to be pushed into a box. If you want to like gaming or anything else, then
just go for
embrace it. With lockdown and stuff, have you had more opportunities to sort of connect with your followers?
I think for me, like, so when lockdown first happened, I was kind of like, oh, like, what do I do? Like, because of, obviously, I guess a lot of the time it's like shows and like traveling, that kind of all got cut. But I can't lie, like, I really connected with my audience. And, you know, first things first, I used to like live stream like every Friday, kind of similar to what you were talking about with your channel, and you know, the idea of kind of having a schedule that people can kind of connect with. In fact, I've got a new song. Right, cool, let's play it. Yeah. So like I created this this project, and it's called Lo-Fi Lockdown. And basically what I did is I got my like fans to like send in like 10-second voice notes of like what they did in lockdown, and we've scattered it all the way through the project. So like they were on the project. What kind of advice would you have for any like aspiring gamers?
Just be yourself, because particularly with stuff like streaming now, you can't fake a personality for the whole time. So I think be yourself. People will fall in love with you as a person. Did I just score?
I don't know. No, I didn't score.
I think your team's winning. How do you, as a music artist, then stay relevant and sort of innovate your sound and what you're doing?
I think I am a nerd, and so I watch everything and I listen to everything, and you have like a library on your phone. Like I'm on this thing constantly and like always looking at it and always trying to figure it out and always go with it. So I think that's like my main thing about staying relevant. It's kind of like watching
you have to be on it
and absorbing it. So that's
a full-time job.
Exactly, mate. You can't turn it off.
If you had to pick 3 pieces of advice to give to sort of younger people looking to get into music, what would you say?
I think I'll keep it really simple. I think stay true, work hard, and enjoy yourself. That's literally it. Cool, this has been sick.
It's been amazing.
I think I'm going to just stay here forever. I think this is it.